Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to use the dark mode on the POCO X4 GT. Normally when we are in a bright environment, then it is great to have here this standard mode, and you can see here at the background everything is white and the typo and the font is black, so you can read it also in the sunshine and where it's very light. When you are in a dark environment, it is not so good for your eyes because this light makes it difficult for your eyes, and because of that your POCO X4 GT has a dark mode, and this dark mode I will show you what will happen. And when you click on settings and you go here to display, and you can see here the light mode and the dark mode. Just take a look what will happen when we click on dark mode, and you can see bam, here all the white places now become black and the typo and the font becomes white and gray. So in the evening when you're not having so much light, this is more convenient for you to read and to go on the internet and to other things. But of course, it looks also a little bit different, so you can choose it whether you like it the light mode or dark mode. But there are also other options. You can click on more dark mode options and you can adjust your wallpaper to dark mode, because sometimes you have lighter image and a darker image, and when you have the darker image then it will activate with the dark mode, and you can adjust text and backgrounds automatically. I will do this as well. The second thing is to schedule the dark mode. When you schedule the dark mode will only activate when something is happening. So you can see here sunset to sunrise. Switch to dark mode at sunset and turn it off at sunrise. So it will look where you are at this moment, and when it's sunset then it will turn it off, and when it's sunrise then it will turn it off, and when it's sunset then it will turn it on. But you can also turn the dark mode on and off at a scheduled time with custom. So you can say turn on at 7 p.m. and turn off at 7 a.m. and you can change this like you want to have it. So just choose your own style, light mode and dark mode, two great options for your POCO X4 GT. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you the next time. Bye bye.